Bon appétit.
Au revoir. C'est une belle équipe, quand même. Peut-être c'est...
Even all the long nights turn into days. Right where I left it.
Un petit peu en deux.
Ouais.
Regarde-moi ce chef-d'œuvre, s'il te plaît, meuf.
Mama took me to the candy shop, the one off the corner on Mission and Hop, the one that gives you systemic rustic vibes. Skyscraper high, half candy to buy, chocolate bars and gummy bears, all colors alike.
Aquella canción y cuando decoras con rosas mi habitación.
Merci, bonne journée, au revoir.
But mama said, don't judge by the color of the wrapping, it matters what's inside, so give it a try. She said, not just the ones they tell you to buy, choose ones that taste so good it makes you wanna cry, so give it a try. And mama was right. They tell me what to do, tell me how to choose on what's worth my hours. Spend half my money on ones that stay at the top of the tower, conditioned to look up at flashing lights and the ones in power. From rise to down, all over town I see their hundreds of flyers, so I don't know how to choose. $20 bill in my left side pocket, the bottom shelf dual luckless points me to the samples. I'll try it. Whole life spent fighting to get a chance, but they bout to expire. Taste the same, smile the same, just not what people admire. Skyscraper high, of candy to buy, chocolate bars and gummy bears, all colors alike. Name brands at the top, shining oh so bright. But mama said, don't judge by the color of the wrapping, it matters what's inside, so give it a try. Oh, she said, not just the ones they tell you to buy, choose ones that taste so good it makes you wanna cry.
You drank too much. You said I only want you, only want you. When we woke up, you were gone. It was obvious. You only came through cause you had nothing to do. When we woke up, you were gone. You said you'd never ever let me go, but you just didn't wanna be alone. Sometimes it's better to be lonely than to fuck up somebody. You just didn't wanna be alone. You just didn't wanna be alone. I called you up cause I had nothing to do. I was a little confused when you picked up and said hello. It's obvious you're not looking for love, looking for love. But a night with you is just enough. And now I never wanna let you go, cause I know what it's like to be alone. I know it's better to be lonely than to fuck up somebody. I don't really wanna be alone. You just didn't wanna be alone. Every lonely night, you're my lullaby. Scared that this will turn into love. Somehow I never wanna let you go,